Hey, good morning. Chuck here with Apple Drains. Here's a video of me coming to work to the office. Can you see the flooded road? Look at it one more time just so you can really get a picture of this. This is from the rain last night. And what happens is in our driveway, it washes out badly. Even the trucks get stuck. Can you see that? The big trucks that come down and make deliveries. This is a public road. This is not the driveway. And you can see the damage and what happens here because it rains so much here in Central Florida. I can't possibly explain to you, unless you live here, how much rainfall we actually get. So this is the driveway coming into our office, and every year when it rains in the rainy season right now, you can see what happens. I mean, everything moves. There is no stabilization of the soil, and you can see it. So delivery trucks come in and they just sink. They just sink right down into the mud, and they actually get stuck. So I've tried many things. Last year I put a 2x8 on both sides of the driveway, trying to contain the soil because it squishes out. It moves. So it just squishes out, and of course that creates these ruts. So I just came back from a job site, and I have some leftover gravel and some Geo textile fabric. And let me show you how I'm going to solve this problem. The first thing I'm doing is laying out the textile fabric. And then we're going to build a French drain, just like we normally do, but we're not going to put any pipe in here. We're simply going to pour the gravel inside of the fabric, and then we're going to wrap it up. I've said it several times in other videos, but the Egyptians used to use straw under their roads. If you think about what that means, is that when they were pulling those carts with those giant stones to build the pyramid, they were getting stuck. And they found out that, you know what, we can put straw under the road and solve this problem. And that was the first form of geotextile fabric. Geotextile fabric was never really designed for a French drain. Was never the purpose. It was always meant for stabilization of soil. And of course people use it for weed barriers. And today we try to use it sometimes in French drain. Not always, but sometimes we use that in the French drain. You might think that gravel by itself would solve this problem, but what happens is the gravel just sinks down into the mud and it spreads itself out. It squishes outwards. That's why we placed the 2x8s along the side of the driveway. That helped, but we really need to have something to contain and stop the erosion. So remember, I'm working with limited materials. This is just leftover from a job site, and I just need to make sure that the delivery trucks and our trucks don't get stuck. Not to mention that we have to wash our trucks every day because they get covered in mud. So just like a regular French drain, I'm pulling the fabric back over the top, and I'll pin that. And I'm going to do both sections of the driveway, where the tires run. I don't have enough to do the entire driveway, but it's a good little test to show you how well this works, and when I have time, we'll finish off the driveway. But right now, we just need to be able to get our vehicles in and out of the office. This total project took me about an hour and a half, and you know what? When you see the results, wait till the end of the video. You'll see me drive over this area, and you're going to be amazed. But it took about an hour and a half, and again, I only have a small amount of material that I'm working with. But when I have more time, of course, I'll do the whole driveway. The month of September really is our rainy season. Of course, it's the peak of hurricane season too, although we haven't had one yet. It rains every day. One of the things that causes major problems is before the hurricanes come, we are saturated soil. So these are my test areas. There's a French drain, no pipe, just gravel. See what it does here. And we wrapped it all with the textile fabric. Same thing on this side. And I'm going to cover all of that with another layer of Geo Fabric right down here. We'll cover all that up, and then we'll put the mulch back. Then we'll put the mulch back and see what happens. This is good fabric, you can see, non-woven, and the other one is 4-ounce double punched non-woven Geo textile. Okay, it's shaping up nicely. You can see this side I got a little bit more mulch on, but I didn't have very much mulch. I just had a few bags left over from, spring, and so I poured that on top of the Geo Fabric. So looks really good, and that really tightened up that driveway where we shouldn't have any more sinking in that area. French drain with fabric. It stabilizes the soil. So first I'm going to run the lawn tractor down over top of where we put the Geo Fabric and kind of smash down the mulch. I think that tractor probably weighs between 600 and 800 pounds. It's not very heavy, but it does help kind of compact the mulch that we had on the top. Now we'll do the other side the same way. I really just want to smash down the mulch because I want it to really stick down into that Geo Fabric. So we'll run it one more time, and then we'll test it out with the van and the trailer attached. We'll see how well it actually works. I don't know if you can tell, but it's still raining, and I had just got back to the office and I said, I've got to fix this problem. You'll also notice that I didn't have a whole lot of material, so this area right here, we couldn't put anything there, but hopefully we don't get stuck there. Let's go ahead and run the truck and the trailer down the driveway and see what happens. That came out really well. It's just barely sinking down into that at all. Just what I expected. Gravel encased French drain. It's good for something, right? You know, it came out quite well. If you saw that first part of the video where I didn't have it wrapped, I just had the gravel, it still sunk down, but look at that. It's really solid. A little bit of tweaking to do, add more mulch. I don't have enough mulch to finish, but wow, look at that. Major difference. of sunshine. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.